With HiHello, you can now add your digital business card to your Apple Wallet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how. Before we get started, make sure you update your HiHello app to the most current version and then follow these steps. Start by opening the HiHello app and tapping the card that you'd like to add, then tap Add to Apple Wallet. Now you can tap Add to save your digital business card to your Apple Wallet. From here, you can open your Apple Wallet at any time to show your card's QR code, where anyone can scan it, anywhere, anytime. To learn about all of HiHello's features, please check out all of our videos on our YouTube channel, and for more information, go to www.hihello.me.